Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and right now I'm going to show you how to hide Twitter replies. Twitter now allows users to hide tweets that may seem as malicious or harassing. We can say that this development is one of the most important steps taken by Twitter platform to prevent hateful and abusive content. Twitter is experimenting with a new tool that allows users to hide replies to their tweets. The feature is specifically made to hide unwanted and spam comments from a post that distract from the conversation. Here's how it works on desktop. You can also do the same process in your mobile app, right? In your iPhone, in your iPad, or Android devices. So, how do we hide replies? So, start by finding a reply to one of your tweets that you want to hide. And let me go and find. It would actually be easier to find it from my mentions here. Yes, this is it. Actually, my friend, this is a when I have made a new profile picture. I have shared it with the hashtag of new profile picture, and one of my friends just write something. And yes, no, it's not abusive, it's nothing bad. Actually, I am just doing this to show you. So, what am I going to do if I would actually hide this reply? So, as you can see, we have unfollow, add remove from list, mute this conversation, or we go here and we do hide reply. And it's Twitter is going to take us to another tab which is saying like, do are we sure that we want to hide this? And I will click hide reply, and as you see, tweet reply hidden, so it cannot be shown. So when it comes to, we have done it so fast, so quick, and so easy. And by the way, the next time you try to hiding a reply, the tweet will be moved to a separate location without you needing to confirm. The reason why it gave me that tab right now, the tab that I had to confirm, is because this is my first time hiding. So when it comes to unhiding Twitter replies, and tweets with hidden replies will have a hidden reply icon somewhere alongside the status or other details, as you can see here. And anyone viewing your tweet will be able to see the icon and view the hidden responses. But to unhide the reply from your tweet, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the hidden reply button right here. Let's open this. Do you see this? And when we click here, it shows us the hidden replies. So do you remember how we hid it in the first time? We used this tab, right? And so what we're going to do now, we're going to click on hide. And now it says this tweet does not have hidden replies because right now, as you can see, the same tweet, the same reply, we can see it right now. So thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, do not feel hesitated to ask me those questions. Ask me any question you have in your mind about this video or about anything else under these comments. I'm going to be there answering your questions very soon. So also, if you have liked the video, but I think you did because the video has a good content saying that you can actually hide those replies that you don't want, it is really useful, and I have thought you have to do that. So I assume you like this video. So if you like a video, what do? You go and you send me those thumbs up. So thanks from now. And also, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. It's right there. Just hit that button. Thank you. See you soon.